Brace yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, because today I found something insane. A tool that lets you generate unlimited images and videos, absolutely free. Yep, you heard that right. Unlimited, free, no paywalls, no nonsense. And it doesn't stop there. You can even edit images like Nano Banana or Seedream 4 with jaw-dropping quality. If you're a creator, this tool is about to blow your mind. Because not only can you make images and videos, you can write scripts, simplify text, and basically do everything you do on ChatGPT, but with zero limits and zero cost. You can literally generate stunning visuals like this. And trust me, the quality, chef's kiss. You can edit photos, create different angles from one picture, and even make cinematic videos like this. So yeah, this might just be the ultimate all-in-one AI tool for creators. Let's not waste any more time, let's dive straight in. Alright, so the name of this magical beast is Qwen, and guess where it's from? If you said China, you're absolutely right. Honestly, China's been on fire lately with these AI releases. Every few weeks, they're like, surprise, another free banger for the world. And I'm not even kidding, their open source AIs are getting scary good. Now, Qwen can actually be downloaded and installed on your PC, but here's the catch. You'll need a pretty powerful setup to run it offline. So unless you've got a NASA computer lying around, I suggest we keep things simple and use the online version instead. Alright, to get started, click the link in the description. That'll take you to the official Qwen site. Sign up using your email, and boom, you'll land on a clean interface like this. Looks familiar, right? Yeah, it's totally giving ChatGPT vibes because, well, it kind of is. But here's the twist. This chatbot doesn't just chat. It can generate images, videos, edit them, and even help you write your YouTube scripts. Right here, you'll see a drop-down that says Model. Just keep it as the default. That's the most advanced version currently available. And now, let's get to the juicy part. Okay, time for some fun. Image generation time. Click on the image generation option, type in your prompt, and let's see what this bad boy can do. So here's the first one I'm testing. A breathtaking cinematic landscape of mountains at golden hour. Ultra-realistic lighting, soft mist in the air, 8K detailed environment, animated movie style, warm orange tones, highly detailed, depth of field, professional composition. Look at that! The colors, the light rays, the depth. This could be a Pixar establishing shot, and we generated it for free. Now, let's test a portrait. A realistic portrait of a young woman looking directly into the camera, confident expression, natural skin texture, cinematic soft lighting, professional studio background, Ultra HD, detailed eyes and hair, symmetrical framing. The result is incredible! The lighting feels natural, the eyes are crisp, it literally looks like a real photo shoot. And now, the fun twist. Let's take this same image and ask Qwen to create a side profile version of it. Generate a side profile view of the same woman in the uploaded image, matching face, lighting, outfit, and environment, realistic style, natural shadows, 4K portrait lighting. Dude, it actually did it! Same face, same outfit, consistent lighting, like the AI rebuilt her in 3D. You can literally use this for creative edits, character sheets, or dynamic thumbnails. This is next level stuff. And it doesn't even end there. Let's take it up one notch. Now, this next feature honestly blew my mind. Qwen doesn't just generate, it edits like a pro. Click on Image Edit, upload the same photo, and try something small first. Change hair color to bright red, realistic lighting, maintain texture, and natural highlights. And boom, it nailed it. The highlights are still there, no oversaturation, no flat tones, just perfect, clean color change. This image editor is seriously powerful. If you play around with it, you can create entire character designs, fashion mock-ups, or photo transformations in minutes. All right, now we're entering the wild zone, video generation. Click on More Video Generation. Paste your prompt and hit Generate. Here's what I used. A camera smoothly moves through a lush green jungle with sunlight streaming through leaves, soft mist in the air, National Geographic vibe, cinematic lighting, smooth motion, ultra-realistic textures. And the motion is clean. No weird morphing or frame glitching, just smooth, stable cinematic footage. You can literally use this for short films, YouTube backgrounds, or storytelling visuals. Now, here's another pro tip. Use smaller aspect ratios like 9:16 if you're making short-form videos. It gives you more stable camera movement. For example, a macro cinematic shot of raindrops falling on green leaves, smooth camera focus shift, Ultra HD, soft background blur, natural lighting. Look at that focus pull. It's giving Discovery Channel. So yeah, if you're a creator, Qwen is 100% worth checking out. It's like having ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway all in one place with no limit button. Go try it right now. And if you want me to drop a full tutorial on how I write my thumbnail and cinematic prompts, comment prompt below and I'll make that my next deep dive video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Decoded, your daily dose of smart and fun AI stuff. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep grinding, besties.